Hello everyone, how are you? Nice to meet you again. Mwah. I sent you a big kiss from the distance to all the children and their families, okay? Today we are going to revise a topic we have already seen on Zoom. Sí, vamos a repasar un tema que vimos en Zoom the previous class, la clase anterior, okay? Which is I like, yes, and I don't like, okay? I like, yes, which is for things that we like, that makes us happy, ¿sí? Que nos hace happy, yes? And I don't like, which is for things that doesn't make us happy, ¿ok? Para cosas que no nos hacen felices, ¿ok? Que nos gusta, ¿ok? That's I like y I don't like. Cosas que no me gustan, ¿ok? Very good. And to ask a question, para hacer una pregunta, we are going to ask. Vamos a preguntar, do you like, for example, apples? ¿Sí? Do you like apples? ¿Y cómo se responde con yes I do and no I don't? ¿Ok? Pero eso es algo que vamos a empezar a ver y vamos a seguir viendo las demás clases. Así que, don't get nervous. No se pongan nerviosos if you don't understand, si no entienden, ¿ok? Because we are going to revise this again and again. Vamos a repasar esto una y otra vez, ¿ok? Are you ready? Yes? ¿Están listos? Let's get started. Vamos a empezar, ¿ok? So, here we have I like, ¿ok? It's not I like. We write I like. Escribimos I like. But we pronounce it I like, ¿ok? And this is a happy face, yes? Okay, very good. I like, for example, I like dogs. Yes, very good. And I don't, remember the pronunciation, recuerden la pronunciación. I don't like, for example, whales, ¿sí? Ballenas. Very good. I don't like, okay? And this is a sad face. Okay, very good. Excellent. Let's move on with the animals. Vamos a continuar con los animals para ver which animals I like and which animals I don't like. Okay, very good. The first one is a tiger. Very good. Okay, excellent. And the tiger, remember, has stripes. Tiene rayas, okay? Has stripes. Stripes. Very good. Do you like tigers? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. For example, I don't like tigers, okay? I don't like tigers. They are dangerous. Son peligrosos. Por eso, I don't like tigers, ¿sí? Pueden dejar en los comentarios if you like tigers, ¿sí? If you like tigers, ponen Miss Sophie, I like tigers, okay? If you don't like tigers, van a poner Miss Sophie, I don't like tigers. Very good, excellent. Let's move on. Then we have, which animal can we have? Do you remember it? ¿Se lo acuerdan? A ver, let's continue. Vamos. This is a zebra, okay? Zebra. Very good. It's not zebra. It's zebra, okay? Do you like zebras? Yes, I do, or no, I don't? For me, yes, a mí, I like zebras, okay? I like zebras. If you like, pueden escribir, I like zebras, I don't like zebras. Very good. And the zebra has stripes as the tiger, ¿sí? Tiene rayas como el tiger, okay? Very good. Excellent. And where can we find zebras? ¿Dónde podemos encontrar a las zebras? Have you ever seen one? ¿Alguna vez vieron alguna? I have never seen a zebra. Nunca vi una zebra. Did you see a zebra? Okay, lo pueden dejar en los comentarios. Very good. Let's move on. Then we have the gorilla. Okay, no es gorilla. It's gorilla. Okay, gorilla. Okay. Yes, they punch their chests. ¿Sí? Se golpean sus chests, sus pechos. Very good. And they are strong, ¿sí? Son bien fuertes, okay? Very good. They have muscles. ¿Tienen músculos? What do you think of? ¿Qué piensan? No, very good. Excellent. Do you like gorillas? Yes, I do, or no, I don't? I don't like gorillas, okay? A mí, I don't like gorillas, okay? I think they are very dangerous. Sí, son muy peligrosos. I don't like dangerous animals. No me gustan los animales peligrosos, okay? Very good. Excellent. And they have? What is this? Do you remember? These are legs, okay? These are legs and these are toes. Very good. They have arms, legs, toes, and a body, un cuerpo, okay? Excellent. Very good. Let's move on. Then we have the cheetah, okay? What's the difference between the cheetah and the tiger? ¿Lo saben? La diferencia entre el cheetah y el tiger. The tiger has stripes, tiene rayas, but the cheetah has spots, tiene manchas, okay? So remember that the tiger has stripes and the cheetah has spots. Very good, okay? Excellent. Has circle spots, tiene manchas que son círculos, okay? Very good, excellent. So do you like cheetahs? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. For example, I like cheetahs. Although they are dangerous, aunque sean peligrosos, I like cheetahs. Okay, very good, excellent. And they are very fast, see? They run fast, sí? Corren muy rápido, okay? More than the tiger, más que el tigre, okay? Very good, let's move on. But they are also dangerous, some dangerous. Okay, excellent. And here we have the kangaroo, okay? It's not kangaroo, kangaroo, no. Kangaroo, okay? Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Excellent. Okay, do you like kangaroos? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. I like kangaroos. I think they are very cute. Son muy cute, okay? And they can jump, okay? Jump. Saltar. Excellent. And they have 2 ears, okay? Tienen 2 ears. Very, very good. Excellent. And do you like kangaroos? Have you ever seen one? ¿Alguna vez vieron uno? They are in Australia. Están en Australia, okay? Very good. Entonces pongan, I like kangaroos. I don't like kangaroos. Very good. Let's move on. Vamos a continuar. Then we have a very dangerous animal. Un animal peligroso. A bear. It's not bear. Bear, okay? And the bear can be very dangerous. Yes? Okay, very good. So, do you like bears? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Pueden dejarlo en los comentarios. And the bears have paws, okay? Tienen garras. Paws. ¿Cómo es? Paws. Excellent. Very good. Excellent. They have 4 paws. Very good. Excellent. And claws. ¿Sí? Y garras. Okay? Very good. Excellent. Entonces, have you ever seen a bear? Maybe at the zoo, en el zoológico. Okay, excellent. Let's move on. Vamos a continuar. Then we have a rhino. Okay, excellent. A rhino. Yes. They have a big body. Tienen un cuerpo muy big. Okay, excellent. And they have paws and claws. Excellent. Very good. Do you like rhinos? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. So, here we have the whale, okay? Here we have the whale. And the whales are in the sea, okay? They are not in the land, ¿sí? No están en la tierra. And they have fins, okay? Aletas. And they have also a tail and spots, okay? Una cola and spots, manchas. So, do you like whales? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Y acuérdense, si queremos decir I like whales, or I don't like whales. And the last animal que tenemos, el último animal, es el dolphin, okay? And the dolphin has fins and a tail, as the whale has, okay? Como el whale. And do you like dolphins? I love dolphins. Yo amo los dolphins, so I like dolphins. Do you like dolphins? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Okay? And the last one, que me había equivocado, is the seal. Yes? The seal. La foca. Okay? Who also has fins and a tail. And it's in the sea. Está en el mar. Okay? So, por último, do you like seals? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Pueden dejar en todos los comentarios, sí, abajo. Pueden decir todos los animales que les gustan. Ponen Miss Sophie, I like rhinos, whales, dolphins, tigers, pero I don't like cheetahs, bears, zebras, and, por ejemplo, dogs, ¿sí? Si no les gustan los dogs, ¿ok? Pueden ser estos animales u otros que no estén acá, ¿sí? Así que bueno, espero que les haya gustado, ¿yes? I send you a big kiss from the distance. I miss you a lot, los extraño un montón. See you next week. Bye bye.